Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Bharli Vaangi or stuffed Brinjal. This is a Maharashtrian recipe. To make Bharli Vaangi, make crisscross slit on each brinjal, taking care not to separate the segments. Soak the brinjals in enough water in a deep bowl with little salt for 10 to 15 minutes. Pat them dry. For the stuffing, we'll fry groundnuts, sesame seed, red chilies and cumin seeds. Saute till they turn aromatic or start crackling. Transfer into a blender jar. To this, add ginger, half lemon sized tamarind and dry grind them. Transfer to a plate. To this we'll add dry spices, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, paprika powder, salt to taste and mix them well. Stuff each brinjal evenly with the prepared masala mixture and keep the remaining mixture aside for later use. Make sure you select small brinjals so that they will cook uniformly up to the core. Larger ones might remain hard in the middle. Heat the oil in a deep pan. Deep fry all the brinjals in the pan. I have fried them in batches. I have taken 500 grams of brinjal. Also, I suggest soaking the brinjals in salted water for a while before proceeding with the recipe to reduce the cooking time. While making crisscross slits, do so only till 3/4 of the brinjal, else they'll open up while cooking. Once done, transfer into a plate. Fry another batch. To this, add mustard seed and asafoetida. I missed to capture the video. Add chopped tomatoes and the remaining spices. Mix well and cook on a medium flame. Add turmeric powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. Fry till the oil separates. Pour water. Bring the gravy to boil. Add salt as per the taste. Add 1 boiled potato. This will help thickening the gravy. Now add all these stuffed brinjals. Mix gently and cover with a lid. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame. Add a tablespoon of kasuri methi. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment how it turned out for you. Serve with rice or parathas. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.